take a look at today's technical for regional. So we have today about 12 idea. As usual, we're going to highlight the key FTSE Asian 40 to look on overall sentiment, at least in the regional market. Now, if you look on the screen, the FTSE Asian 14 last week, we have a double bottom pattern. But the pattern, as we wrote in the report, require a validation in order to to confirm the reversal signal. The valuation that we need apparently did not appear as the index actually continued to trade lower, and it actually taken out our immediate support at 9,850. So those level at 61.8 Fibonacci level has been taken out. Those has been nullified the so-called double bottom pattern. So as the stock, as the index traded lower, right within 72% area line, they also the index also testing the lower support level at 9,700. So even that sense, the momentum is actually pretty much higher on the selling. Now, the short-term reversal is actually being cut short as we expect the mountain selling pressure to continue to drag the index lower. So if you look at the reading here, MACD is still pointing downward, although you are seeing a little bit of the bullish divergence is actually on the RSI. As for now, there's no legitimate reversal signal has been spotted yet. Regardless, we think this could be the pressure could hit. They could hit more pressure with the next support level should be looking at 9,450 points. That's for FTSE 40 index. For Malaysia, we have two ideas. We have a pair of buy and sell idea through all the regional market. So start of Malaysia, we like Wasco Berhad fundamental we still have buy, and the stock is actually bouncing off the 88-day moving average, keeping the uptrend is pretty much intact. So in terms of the D trend reading, you can see here the downside or the down cycle could be completed, and we think there's decent chance for the stock to continue to trade higher. With the next resistance target is actually paired at 1 ringgit and 8 cent and 1 ringgit 20 cent, while the cut level will be below 91 cent. Meanwhile, for Solution Group, despite the sideways here, the upper breakout did not occur, and we can see there's a strong resistance zone right within 24 and 25.5 cent, which is current resistance, and you can see how the stock is having testing number after the 200-day moving average and still fail to search beyond this level. And if you look on the reading on the RSI, MACD pointing downward, so we think the stock could consolidate lower, seeking to test the support at 19 cent, and perhaps if this level is taken out, the next support will be at 15 cent. For Indonesia, Unilever consolidation within the triangle patterns has ended following last week breakout, so we expect the stock to trade higher with the next technical target back at 4,290 Indonesian rupiah. While for Bumi Serpong Damai, the stock has just formed a new lower structure last Friday after taking out the immediate support at 1,010 Indonesian rupiah. So we're expecting the ongoing trend to continue to drift lower with the next target back at 915 Indonesian rupiah. For Philippines, we like Globe Telecom, which is actually we call it still pretty much on the sideways, but we think there's a room for the upside, particularly when the stock is forming quite stellar support right within at 1,750 Philippine peso. So the bullish reading is there, but the stock could actually consolidate, but regardless, downside could be kept, and we think once selling pressure normalized, the stock could trade higher with the net resistance at 1,937 and 2,090 Philippine peso. While for SM Prime Holding, there's a multiple price rejection within the downtrend channel, so we think the price could continue to trade lower with the net support seen at 29.2 and 27.7 Philippine peso. For Singapore, we like Dynamac Holding. The current correction has ended following what we call that rejection within the major resistance turning to support sub within 31 cent and a half. The stock also testing the 72% area line and also 200-day moving average, so we think there's a decent chance for correction to end soon. The next target will be at 36 and 40 cent. And while for Maybank Industrial Trust, we expect the stock to concentrate lower following last week a lower breakout move within the immediate support. So the next support level should be seen at 2.02 and 1.83 Sing dollar. For Thailand, TMV Thanachart Bank would be looking quite good after the stock continue to trade beyond our second target. It's actually gained about 19.2%, but we think still got room for further upside. If you look on the weekly chart, also looking quite positive. fresh breakout move on the RSI. The trend also looking positive. Trading volume also increasing. We expect the uptrend to continue to charge higher with the next target is actually pegged at 1.85 and 2.02 Thai baht. Meanwhile, for Nova Organic, solid lower breakout move last week. We expect downtrend to continue with the next support will be at 2 and 1.76 Thai baht. Last but not least will be for Vietnam. Duc Gian Chemical Group has flashed a reversal signal within 50-day moving average. We expect a rebound. The next technical target is actually at 30,500 and 32,500. 200. While for SAM Holding Corporation, we expecting the stock to continue to drift lower, with the support should be seen at 5,500 and 4,900 Vietnam dollar. Do 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 do.